Hey guys, so in my last video I showcased one of these tiny survival kit cards, and I got this from a website called Stealth Angel, but you can actually pick them up from quite a few different places. Like this one even says ultimatesurvivaltips.com, which is weird, so I must have got it like third hand. But on the inside of it though, it has like this really cool kit. I mean, a knife, you got some spear tools, toothpicks, you have a trapper, a saw, tweezers. It's just a really cool kit. I really like it. And I like how it comes with a magnetic card too. You can actually fit one of these guys inside of your Outwitme pretty nice and easily there. You can just pop it right in there. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. I did end up going on Amazon, and I'll post a picture right here and so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But I already took them apart, so I can't show you what the cards actually look like, but it comes in this little carrying pouch. But I went on Amazon and I was able to find 4 of these different ones for $10. The that card one is actually a little bit more expensive. I believe it was at $30-ish, maybe a little bit less than that. I can't exactly remember. But I ended up getting a bunch of these, and so they don't come with magnetic cards like your backing here and stuff. So I went to Walmart and I ended up buying some strips, magnets, strips, and they come as a sheet, and so you can kind of rip it down to what you need. How I mean is like this one. So this is the actual card. I actually haven't taken any parts of this off, so it's still nice and snug. But as you see on this one right here, I was able to take 2 of the cards and combine them down into this really snug, smaller card. And they are bigger than the Outwitmes, granted, But I do like the fact that they are, you can get a lot of tools for $10. I'm actually going to pick up another set of them because I can do a lot of cool things with them. And then here's the rest. You see, it has the knife tool. If you look at this, it's got a slightly larger knife tool. It does have almost literally everything that this one does, plus more, for less, which I do like. And yeah, so when they come packaged, on these metal prefabs, and so I already cut all of these things out. And this tool right here, I actually cut out, and I'm using it in a kit right now, so it's not even in here. And but yeah, so if you look at these, they can actually have quite a few utilities. I know a lot of people are like, you can't use these in survival situations. However, you can, if I were to take all these things off and put them into a small little container, like one of these, which they will fit. I'm actually, I'll actually, by the end of this video, I will show you what it looks like when these guys are all inside one tin. Let's see here. I even have, I actually think this will be better. So this is a bigger one. Got this for $7 on Amazon. I can post a link too. But I'm actually gonna squish all these into one of these and see how it goes. But for right now, this is what you get. If you ordered the one on Amazon, which I will post I probably won't post a link. I'll just post a picture of it so you guys can find it yourself. I'm not going to be an affiliate for, that kind of stuff. Not yet, at least. Maybe get more people on my channel. But you do get quite a few tools. A lot of fishing hooks, spearhead, saws. This is a really cool saw. Little spear tips that you can break these things down into little smaller ones. This right here is supposed to be a thing of tweezers. I don't know how exactly you're going to use that as tweezers. I might actually play around. But you got trap tools. These things. Oh, it's really cool. I really like this. Same thing with this one. You got quite a few traps, and you can even use those for sinkers and stuff like that for your fishing. A little fork. This one actually has the full fork. But spear tips. Yeah, it's just got all around cool utility. But I'm gonna go ahead and squish one of those into one of these tins, and so check this out, guys. Without even taking these tools off and putting all the small pieces in there, I was able to get all of it in there with still space to spare. This has like at least 30 fish hooks in it. you know, spearheads, needles, all sorts of cool stuff. I mean, granted, it's not organized. I could probably take time to put stuff into straws, you know, and keep it all nice and snug. But honestly, like, even without even taking these ones off, I can cut these off and easily fit all those smaller tools in there, including that little ridge saw will probably fit. Maybe, I don't know. But this tool right here, you can saw off that nub on the very end and throw that in there. You can cut this full saw, the full length saw, in half and probably get it in there. And that's in the small one. That's not even in the larger one. So you get this larger one could probably even fit more stuff in there. But that's perfect for a little kit. I'm gonna use this for another video. But yeah, I mean, you can literally probably fit most of the stuff still inside there. With this one, I would get rid of I don't know, I guess that full thing makes a good spike trap. But yeah, guys, this is $10 on Amazon. You know, you can fit most of the stuff into a little compartment. All the rest of the stuff would easily fit inside of an Outwitme tin. You know, you take that saw, you know, even probably file it down just a little bit. You know, I mean, even if you just put it on something else, like, you can still get it in there. But almost all those tools will easily fit inside. You know, I mean, it even has the width, so that little long piece right there. You can craft a magnet top, you know. I have these magnetic strip paper things, like, you know, it has a sticky back and stuff, you know, but you can peel those off, you know, put it in there and stuff like that, and then you can literally have all your tools just flat on this top here. You know, squish them all in there and stuff like that so they're easy accessible. Get a pair of tweezers and just, you know, pull off what you need. You know, there's a lot of utilities. You'll probably see me showcase a lot of these smaller tools in some of my kits in the next few videos, but I like them. But yeah, you know, this is just a showcase. It all stemmed from this guy right here, and this one's really nice. I mean, it, you know, probably nicer quality. I don't know, sure. It's probably made from the same, literally cut from the same tree, and this one just has a logo on it. But ultimate survival tips. But I mean, really, I get a lot of this stuff here. I'll probably, you know, take off the saw and use that in my kit. But man, for $10, you get a lot. You know, you get 4 of these things, which, you know, I literally cut all off their preflabs, you know, and squished them onto these 3 cards. I can probably, using the space, I could probably condense it even further if I wanted to, but I'm probably going to make these even smaller so they will fit inside Outwitme tins, just to have those for future videos, or even use them in some of my other kits, because I have kits that are much larger than the Outwitme tins. But yeah, guys, thanks for sticking through the video, and I will make another video here shortly and get it posted for you guys. But yeah, check that out. Have a good one, guys.